Chat, we back. We back. Woo! How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody in here. I hope all of you guys are having a awesome start to your week. Yes, chat, I'm waiting for all you guys to catch up. There we are. Good to see all of you guys back in here. How's everybody's week been going, man? You guys have a good Monday without me? You guys having a good week so far? And there she is, the one and only wifey's in chat. W wifey in chat, always showing up for every single stream, showing all that love and support. How you guys been doing though? How was everybody's weekend? Hope you guys are having a great start to the week. Hello back in Canada. Yeah, I know. Listen, you guys don't have to remind me. Yeah, it's cold down here in Canada, to say the least. Chat, or down here, up here I should say. Up here in Canada. Yeah, I'm not I can tell you guys this, I'm not someone that enjoys the cold. I can tell you that for free. I definitely don't enjoy the cold. I'm a warm soul at heart. Wifey knows this. We're both warm souls. We like the warm weather, so we're gonna have to find a way to get out of here, because Canada is not the place to be at if you don't like the cold. As you guys know, if you guys do live in Canada, some of you guys in here, yeah, man, it gets cold over here. It gets really cold, and then there's a lot of snow on the ground, and then you're shoveling all the snow. It's not fun times. It's not fun times. I'm good, chat. Thanks for asking. I'm all good. Yesterday was good. W. Marco was in the house. Big shout out. Let's go, chat. It's starting to get cold here in India too. Does it get cold in India? Wow, I never knew that. Wonder, what's up, brother? Good to see you in here. Good to see all of you guys in here. Let's have a beautiful stream today. I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped. I actually know I'm pumped and I'm sad, because yes, we're gonna have a great stream today, but I only got one stream with you guys this week. Thursday is Thanksgiving in America. Thursday is Thanksgiving in America, and it is a bank holiday. So I'm not with you guys on Thursday, unfortunately. I don't trade bank holidays, so Thursday's a no trading day, unfortunately. But hey, we're gonna enjoy our time together today. All right, it's so hot in Sydney. Oh yeah, because you guys are, the seasons are flipped in Sydney, so it's, when it's cold over here, it's warm over there. Damien says, beautiful Hannah. Wifey, do you see this? It's cold in Portugal. Oh man, yeah, I don't like cold. I really don't. Like, what is the temperature? 1 second, chat, let's see. You know what? Today is actually not bad, to be fair. It's 6 degrees right now outside. It's 6 degrees. Can you look at some FX pairs today, Marco? So, chat, if you guys are new in here, I look at whatever pairs I have setups on, right? So if I don't have a setup on a pair, I just don't look at it. I have a bunch of Forex pairs, and I have a bunch of futures assets on my list. So it's very simple. Guys, if I don't have a setup on a pair, I won't look at it, right? And I'm not going to just pull it up, because if I'm not trading it, then I don't have a good idea of where it's heading. I'm just going to give you guys, what's the word I'm looking for here? Not good information. Both cold, but you are wifey, but you are with wifey. We don't have any yet, so we are very, very cold. Yeah, it's gonna, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Canada weather, but in the winter, there's days where it'll get to minus 40, and like they'll shut the schools down. Sometimes people don't go to work. Yeah, it's tough, chat. It's tough. Let's go see your daily buys friend Q. Yeah, we'll get into it. I got you. Jan says, I also hate winter. Short days, snow, rain, cold. Bro, give me the summer. Oh, tell me about it, man. That's another thing about the winter, chat, is yes, it's cold and there's snow, but most importantly, there's not a lot of sunlight, man. When I wake up, it's dark. When I go to bed, it's dark. Seasonal depression, okay? Listen to me carefully. Seasonal depression is a thing. It's actually true. It's actually true. I would much rather be running in 30, 40 degrees than running in this cold. I'm not going to lie to you. I actually don't even like running in the cold. As it feels nice for the heart rate, but I just don't enjoy it. I just don't enjoy it. It just feels miserable. I won't lie to you guys. The UK is breezing. I feel like does the UK ever get snow, chat? You UK people in here, do you guys get snow? I think you guys get snow sometimes, right? But it's not too many times. Like, it's not often. Chat, chill on me, man. We're gonna get to the charts. Don't worry. It's only 9:10. We still have 20 minutes to the open. Marco, how often do you go live? So chat, I go live every single Tuesday and Thursday on ChartFanatics, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Except this week, unfortunately, because we have bank holiday. We have a bank holiday on Thursday, and that's no fun. That's no fun, man. So no training for me on Thursday, unfortunately. So I won't see you guys after today until next Tuesday. But let's just enjoy ourselves today. We'll have a good stream together, chat. We'll have a great stream together, actually. India has all weather mix of the best. Where is wifey and Charlie? Wifey is not at my house right now currently. Charlie's probably sleeping downstairs. Charlie's doing Charlie things because he just likes to sleep all day long. Okay, chat, let's hop into the good old stuff. Our sponsors, our wonderful sponsors over at TradeZella, Apex. By the way, guys, 'tis the season because it is Black Friday season. And if you guys are new here somehow, some way, Black Friday sales are inbound. So keep your eyes out. Keep your eyes out for these Black Friday sales. Save money. Save money on all these different products. If you're buying prop firm challenges over at Apex or over at Funded Next, you have most likely sales coming up. If not, I don't think they're not live yet, are they, chat? I don't think so yet. But also keep an eye on TradeZella. They got some stuff cooking for Black Friday. So keep an eye. Marco, will you be trading in December? I will be trading in December for the most part. Of course, you know what? Let's take a look right now, actually. Let's take a look right now. So December, I will be trading up until... So if you guys look on your calendars, I'll be trading until the 19th. Probably all of the next week. It's like Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day. I won't trade that whole week. So that whole week will be off. And then I'll probably hop back on for the next week. So just the Christmas week, I'll be off. I won't be trading. Those are like going to be like the usual. That's a usual like the winter kind of calendar. Usually take that Christmas week off because volatility is dead. Markets are closed anyways. So there's no reason to be trading. Can we get giveaways going? Chat, giveaways are going to be done at the end of the stream as per usual. But don't worry, we will get to them. Yes, sir. Like the streams today, chat. Much appreciated. Let's hop right into some charts here. Talk about the good things. Okay. All right, so you guys were asking about NQ. Let me make sure my... One second, chat. Just gotta make sure everything is... All right, we're all good. No, wait. 1 second. Yeah, we're all good, chat. Nice. Okay, yeah, so let's look over NQ. I know you guys have been asking me about NQ. So we have taken a bunch of lows to the left. This is last week. Look at this big sell-off we had. At the least, I think we still continue bullish a bit up into these regions. So let's see what happens over here. Could see some bearish price action out of this area. But look what Asia and London has left for us. Lots of liquidity at the highs from Asia and London. Okay, you have actually, is this yesterday's high? This is yesterday's high, isn't it? Yeah. So we have yesterday's high here, and then Asia engineered a bunch of liquidity. London took a little bit of it out, but then still made relative equals with PDH. So I'm thinking we spike the lows, and then maybe we get a long position higher. So we'll keep an eye on NQ for the session, but that's what I'm framing out right now. All right, chat. Nice and simple. Stab the lows, run for the highs. Okay, that's it on NQ. However, okay, on gold, I've been telling you guys, remember last week I told you guys I want to see sells above this high. We came for that high. Okay, I believe we will get some sort of higher time frame sell now. Are we gonna run this high? Maybe. I haven't ruled that out yet. However, I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. We're still trading at the higher time frame extreme. Okay, look at the move we still have available on gold to the downside. Okay, we're talking, and my target's all the way down here. So we have over 2,500 pips available to the downside. Insane. Two targets. These lows, oops. These lows, and then these lows to the left. So both blue lines, both targets. Okay, so I got swings I'm looking at on gold here. However, like I said, I'm not too sure if we spike this high out again. We're gonna have to wait and see. Oh, the brother Mike in here. What's good, Mike? Mike in the building. Chat, say what's good, Mike. I'm looking at gold sells too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These sells on the higher time frame. I don't know if they're ready yet, so I'm gonna wait a bit. It could take another day or two to cook up, and I'm not just gonna enter, as you guys know. When the time comes, I'll be there to take that entry, so don't worry, because we have lots of opportunity on gold. Lots. Can you look at ES? I don't trade ES, my brother. I don't trade ES. Okay, another interesting one is Euro. And wow, I think it might have had an entry possibly. Chat, did we miss it? Nothing too good. I think Euro sells as well, chat. To this low. To this low here. To this low here. And finally, this low over here. So a couple targets on Euro. Wow, okay, we did spike 4-hour high. Couple things to keep an eye on right now. No entry yet, unfortunately. Yeah, we've just had a big sell-off from the highs. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait for something to cook up here on Euro. But I am very, very keen on these shorts to the lows, chat. I really do like it. I do like it. Yo, chill. Yeah, see, there you go. Listen to this, guys. If you guys are not in Mike's streams, Mike, what days do you stream again? It's I know it's a later day in New York. I don't remember what day it is specifically, but chat, listen up. This man has professional experience in and when I mean professional, like this guy has worked at firms. He works at a firm right now, I believe. But yo, this guy's got so much value for you. Much respects to this guy. He's a brother of mine. But you guys got to be hopping in his streams. It's on Thursdays. There you go. It's on Thursdays. But you guys got to get in his streams. Lots and lots of value from a man that has traded with like some top dogs, top dogs. And himself he's got so much value for you guys. So there you go. Mike streams every Thursday at 4 p.m. Hop in there. I'm in there usually too. Hanging out with the boy Mike. Okay, so chat, yeah, this is what we're looking at right now. We're gonna keep an eye on euro. It's had a reaction out of the highs so far, so we won't jump the gun yet, but it does look like it could sell. The other assets I'm looking at, man, nothing else really. Nothing else really. UJ could go long. UJ could continue long. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna focus on what I do like. Also Aussie shorts do look good as well, chat. I don't know if you guys have entered any of these things yet, but these are all assets I like right now. So Aussie's getting that reaction off the back of the highs as well, kind of following suit with euro. But yeah, that's basically everything I see right now, chat. Nothing too crazy. Yo, this guy says, got me tearing up. I need to rub your head for good luck now. Yo, don't kill me, Mike. Don't kill me. 15-minute BTC rejection block. I don't know what that is. I do not know what that is. All right, we got chat. We got just under 10 minutes till the open here. All right, guys. So listen, for the people in here that I see in chat spamming explain liquidity block, clearly you guys have not been watching the YouTube videos. So I'm going to point you in the right direction. If you want to learn more about my entries, exactly how I take my entries, the concept I use, the theory I use, head over to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of videos, and especially the most recent one, or I think the second most recent one, is literally on entries. Okay? Literally a whole video made on entries. So if you guys are asking me questions here, that tells me you didn't watch that video. So head over there and watch the video. It'll answer a lot of your questions. Okay? But today over here, we're talking charts right now. Gold, a little bit, it's holding the lows right now. I still think the highs will go. So for that reason, I'm just gonna pump the brakes on gold currently, chat. I'm not gonna take nothing. I'm not gonna jump the gun on this thing. We got it. Like I said, we have a big ass move cooking up on gold. So why would I need to try and pinpoint the top, right? And I feel like that's something I struggled with in the past, chat. And it's something I didn't realize until now. Not now, sorry. This year, at least, more recently. That when I was very, very sure on bias, like I had a very, very confident, my confidence was at an all-time high for my current bias, whatever I was looking at for the day, I tend to jump the gun and take early entries because I was so confident in the bias. So maybe I'd take one entry, loss, maybe even a second entry, loss. And then finally the actual entry comes along and I take it, but maybe I don't put as much volume as I should because I took one loss before. I took two losses before. So that's something I realized this year, was when I was very, very sure and very confident on my bias and my direction, I would jump the gun and I'd take early entries because I was so, I had that FOMO, right? Now I realize that if I'm very confident in my bias, it doesn't matter. I still just pump the brakes. I know already when it's time to take an entry. I don't need to guess and have that FOMO inside my head. So yeah, that's something I had to realize this year. And you want to know how I realized that? Through gathering data. Okay, I've used TradeZella specifically for that. Now, is that something I could have realized without TradeZella? Maybe, but TradeZella definitely helped me identify that issue. So yeah, that's something I realized this year. Your recent video had a lot of gems, Marco. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, we had a lot of love on the most recent video, so that's awesome to see. It's definitely awesome to see. GU, please. Yeah, I'm not sure on GU either. GU looks like it can run higher. I don't know. And you know what? I'm kind of like, I'm in between, because some dollar pairs I can see moving higher, but then euro I kind of want to see move lower a bit still. So I don't know, man. I ain't gonna jump the gun on anything right now. As of like for today, I can see NQ being something clean. But for my CFD pairs, like on the higher time frames, nothing yet. Nothing yet. We'll see though. Yeah, it happens to me also. I marry the bias and then chase entries instead of waiting for a proper setup. It happens to the best of us, bro. It really does. Yeah, I think maybe it's something that's actually more common than I believe it was. But for me, yeah, chat, I mean, I'd have a very confident bias. And when I'm confident, like, I'm okay to take entries and add volume. Because I just have such a high confidence in my setups in my system that when they're intact and when something's intact on my chart, I'm okay to add volume, and I have high conviction. So my problem was jumping the gun, taking early entries. So Claudia, yeah, I just want to see lows taken on NQ, and then we can possibly see a long back up. That's what we're looking at here. I just did, Claudia. Please stop copying and pasting the same message over and over. I've already learned a lot from Marco, TG Capital, JCap, and you, my brother. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. While he's talking to Mike there. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, Mike's got a lot of value for you guys. He really does. Guys, please, the amount of questions I see about liquidity blocks is insane. Please just go watch my videos, man. I talk about them left, right, and center. Hi Marco, can we check AUD USD? I think we have buys. I'm not going to be bullish on Aussie. No chance I'm bullish. I want to see Aussie to these lows. No chance I can be bullish on Aussie. Yeah, GU went crazy today. LOL made huge racks with so little drawdown. Damn, bro. Let's go. W. Gold getting a reaction out of the highs right now. NQ drop into the lows. Chat, I'm gonna be, man, yeah, I want to be ready for this gold short on the higher time frames, because like I said, for you CFD traders out there, you got 1,400 pips to the first target and over 2,500 to the second target. That's crazy stuff. That's crazy stuff. German 40, I'm cooking up swing longs. Swing longs on German 40 are cooking up. However, this is a daily kind of setup, so it's gonna take time to form. But I do believe we will see a big move to the upside on German 40 as well. Again, it's just not ready yet. All right, chat, we got 30 seconds to the open. Let's see what happens here. There is nothing to take a direct entry off of below the lows. So We're gonna have to wait to see what, excuse me, what price does below, and then try to catch a confirmation based entry on the way back up. But that's really it right now, chat. We gotta wait and see what happens here on the open. But there's nothing to take a direct entry off of yet, so don't worry. We ain't missing nothing yet. All right, we're going bearish a bit off the open. Nothing crazy yet. All right, chat, and there she goes. We're coming down towards the lows we spoke about. There we go. Like clockwork. Look at this, chat. Inducing buyers. Now we trap them. Leaving liquidity at the highs. So buyers taken out. Now longs could be active on the way back up. But you can't just buy. Got to have some sort of confirmation based entry here. Marco, how do you stay so calm? You just have to have conviction in your system, bro. Confidence in your system. And I feel like that only comes through experience on the charts. I also understand that, like, guys, and you guys have seen it on stream. I lose trades. I miss trades. That's just all a part of the game, right? So why do I have to have so much worry if that's just so natural, right? It happens. That's trading. Gold having that sell off right now, chat. Look at this. All right, NQ, let's see what happens here. Low's gone. 2 minutes into the open. Marco, I took AU shorts in London session and I got stopped out and my bias is now playing out. Let me see where you went wrong. You see you took shorts in London. Yeah, so it just looks like price built liquidity at the lows here, bro. Highs taken. Right, because look at the liquidity left here. And we just stabbed it, so we'll see if we get that breakdown from here on Aussie. Lots of engineered liquidity at this low down here. And then you have the higher time frame targets we've been talking about to the left-hand side. So we'll see on Aussie. I'm not in nothing. I'm currently flat on everything, chat, so. Marco, please do an analysis on crypto. Okay, bro, if we got some time, end of stream, I'll definitely take a look at crypto. I know shit's been going down on the crypto market, so maybe we'll get a little update over there later on. But we're just looking at some possible trade opportunities right now. Hey, man, would you share your chart colors? Of course. It's very simple, honestly, chat. White and black candles. And then the background is the first gray. That's it. First gray on the background, white and black candles. It's just really easy on the eyes, and that's it. So I feel like the white chart is a blinder sometimes. Had a gold trade at 830 for shorts, never hit my stop loss above HIs. Now it hit my profit target. Let's go. Mr. Wimbledon in the chart, yo. YM absolutely ripping. Yo, YM is absolutely ripping. Good call. Good call. I was in a sell on German 30. I would not be selling German 30 personally. I have a long bias. Buy, it's leaving and you'll miss it. If I followed that advice every single day, I would not make any money in trading. Buy, it's leaving, you'll miss it. That sounds extremely FOMO-y. Come on, brother. I'm not just gonna buy to buy. It needs to follow my system. I have an entry protocol I need to follow. If I was just buying to buy, that's bad news bears, bro. I had a buy in London in GBP. Which GBP are you talking about? Hey, brother, I appreciate the good work. Can I request you to midify your charts a bit? It's too small to see. It's too small? Not on my end. Not on my end. Maybe you got to get the glasses out, bro. What makes you wait for gold to go higher? So my reason for gold maybe going higher still, chat, is we've taken out lows here and we've left liquidity at the highs. So yes, I'm bearish on the higher time frames. Look at the amount of liquidity we have at the lows, but I don't want to just jump the gun. And when there's some things in the chart telling me we could go higher still, I just like to wait, man. That's it. And the thing is, I understand in my head that, let's just say hypothetically, chat, we do sell from here all the way to the downside. We start selling to the downside. This is not going to be the only entry. I promise you. This is a higher time frame move. There's going to be more than one entry, right? Like, this whole sell won't play out in just one day, all right? Or else the market's just broken. It takes time, chat. It takes time. So what that tells me is I'll just show up tomorrow in New York and see if there's another sell. And then I'll show up, not Thursday because it's a bank holiday. I'll show up Friday and see if there's another sell. More than likely, 80 to 90% of the time, there's going to be more than one entry. So that's why I'm not bothered if I missed one move. It's not a big deal to me. Truly. NQ respecting the high. It's going to probably induce lower once more, chat. Do you think markets have been choppy in euro and pound because we are in the end of the year due to the holidays? I don't know. I don't know. I still think there's opportunity. I still think there's opportunity. Marco, I heard you were going to start vlogs. Oh, and the wifey's back in the chat. We will have vlogs soon enough. We will have vlogs soon enough. We did make a little miniature vlog over in Florida. It was fun. Hey, brother, how's it going? It's going well for me, man. It's going well. Filming a day in the life of a 6'10" millionaire Italian. Yo, this guy Wonder is a comedian, bro. This guy is a comedian. Chat, we got over 400 of you in here today. That is friggin' awesome. Much love to all of you guys for hanging today. Much love to every single one of you for hanging. We're going to be looking at some NQ longs shortly. Just waiting on some sort of entry to cook up here, chat. I just got some advice, though, and he said, buy because it's going to leave and you'll miss it. So, should we be buying because it's going to leave and we're going to miss it? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey man, with all due respect, why are we not entering on NQ? So why are we? I'm not sure why we aren't entering. Like, you guys could enter whenever you want. Make sure you're following your system. For myself, I need to make sure there's an entry for me. Just because we took the lows does not mean I'm just buying right away. Like the stream. There you go. The wifey said it. You guys got to follow. Like the stream, chat. How was the start of your journey? Rough. Just like a lot of you guys, probably rough. It's tough at the beginning, man. It's tough. All right. NQ back at the lows. Lows taken. Could start seeing a move from here. We'll see. Again, just monitoring lower time frames, chat. We need to see rejections. 400 viewers in here, but only 100 likes. Come on, chat. Like the stream, bro. Come on, man. I believe in the power. If we have more likes, then we're smashing a nasty trade today. That's just how it works. 100% it's how it works. If we get more likes today, then we're having a beautiful trade. 100%. What are you anticipating on NQ based on your experience? I like that question. I like the way you asked that. I want to see NQ back to the highs. PDH, actually. I want to see NQ back to PDH. Where it needs to run to on the left-hand side, not too sure. We have spiked out London lows, which is good. I wanted to see that occur. Just literally waiting for lower time frames to cook up, chat. That's it. That's it. Just waiting for lower time frames to cook up. Brother Joe is in here. What's good? Appreciate you for hopping in and supporting the stream, bro. Truly. Thank you. Thank you. Yo, listen. Is Canada the only country that gets these stupid text messages? We are hiring. These, honestly, the scamming texts I get nowadays, look at this. I'm going to expose this number on stream. We are hiring remote online evaluator. I get so many text messages from these scamming numbers on a daily basis. It's so bad nowadays. Why? Do people fall for this shit too? Always, brother. Hope you're blessed. Thank you, bro. You too. Truly. All is blessed over here though, man. Chat, we had an unreal week last week. And you know what's crazy? The unreal week came from one single day. From one single day. You see how that works? And that's what you guys don't understand. You guys think you need to have every single day needs to be amazing. No. Not true. I got a CRA text yesterday. It's insane. Yeah, these scammers are on another level, bro. All right, we're taking some lows from the left-hand side now. Yeah, of course. No, I'm not clicking nothing. Don't worry. I'm just saying these scammers are elite now. Look at this sell-off on NQ right now. If this move happens all the way back up, this would be a mega move. But we'll have to see. The open candle looks quite bearish right now, so we're not going to be trying to catch a fallen knife currently. That one single day was a full port. Yo, wonder. It actually was not a full port. To your information. I'm playing. No, it wasn't a full port, but we had a trade that hit, gold longs hit while I was sleeping overnight. So I woke up to TP on the gold longs, and then I smashed YM shorts in New York. But yeah, that was a great day. Banger day. What's FX doing now? Euro's going long. Aussie down to the lows. Should take out those lows shortly. These pairs look like shit right now. Gold. Wow, look at this freaking hourly candle on gold. Wow. This shit is bearish, bro. NQ is on low-key a free fall right now. Nothing to take or look at currently. Might be like a 10 a.m. kind of trade today on NQ. If we get, wow, chat, if this bullish bias is correct and I want to see price back up to PDH, the further lower this goes, the better the long will be. So let's see. I'm short in gold. Yeah, the short looks good. Higher time frames look great, bro. They look great. They look great. I want to see gold, like I've been talking about. I want to see a whole like 1,000 pip. I want to see gold back to, on the CFD chart at least, I want to see it back to 3,900, 38, yeah, 38.90. These lows should go. They look delicious to go. They look, but it's just like sometimes the higher time frame takes its time cooking up. So we're gonna have to wait and see on gold. I'm currently flat, so NQ is, it's on free fall right now, chat. Look at this thing. I'm curious to see what YM's doing. So YM took out the highs. It's getting a reaction lower right now. Tapped into the highs here. YM should short to these lows, chat. YM should short to these lows. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait on NQ, chat. Which webcam are you using? Yo, this comment is funny but diabolical. Which webcam are you using? MarcoTrades. That is a new one. Get in, you'll miss it. Bro cooked with that NQ call. See what happens when, like, yes, like per my system, lows are taken, so we could have seen a buy. But if, listen, chat, if you guys need to understand something, you need to build a system all the way down from, all the way from building a direction of bias, all the way to taking an entry. All right, so, and it needs to be a repeatable process over and over and over. Just because we took lows does not mean I was just gonna buy, right? Why would we do that? You're just doing yourself a massive disservice, and you're gonna accumulate a lot of stupid L's. A lot. I have an entry protocol and I have to stay true to it. I know it works. So why would I not use it? I'm not just going to FOMO win to FOMO win. You're doing yourself a massive disservice, chat. Massive. Math answers WhatsApp text. What happened here? Changing Marco's. All right, chat. So now that, so whoever said that, now I have messages saying I'm changing Marco's contact to MarcoTrades. It's not only Hannah who has eyes for you. Yo, can we stick to trading, chat? What's going on here, bro? What's going on here? Yo, you guys are crazy, man. 1 second, guys. What are 6 liquidity traps, yo? What does that even mean? Yo, look at NQ right now. Wow. I'm surprised we sold off without even taking out these highs, because I didn't anticipate we could have sold. But without these highs is crazy. That's crazy work. That's crazy work by NQ. That is crazy work from NQ. Aussie below those lows we talked about, chat. Clean short. Highs to lows. Boom. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. 1 second. I just got some really bad news. Oh my god. Hannah, can you look at your phone? Wow. Holy shit. Wow, okay. And Q, yeah, sorry, chat. I just got a wild text message, so I just wanted to... Yeah, wow. Yeah, Hannah, look at your phone if you have a second. Holy shit. No, I won't talk about it right now, chat. It's all good. I'll address this. I'll address this later. Just yeah, something really sad and unfortunate happened last night. My mother just texted me. All right, NQ getting a reaction off the lows now. Let's see what happens here. It's 950. We actually tapped into this area to the left here, which we're getting a reaction out of. Holy shit. Yeah, no, I'm good, chat. Don't worry. It's all good. It's all good. It's just some family stuff I'll address after I'm done streaming. All right. Look at this bounce on NQ already. Wow. This 5-minute candle from low to high. We're looking at 460 tick bounce already. Volatility is crazy. Did YM take those lows? Yeah, look at that. YM stabbed those lows as well, chat. Yo, the market's on smoke right now. The market's on smoke and I'm not in nothing. All right, NQ, let's see what's going to happen here. Marco, at 9:30 were you looking at 9:30? No, I wasn't taking. I didn't want to participate in this sell. I can't speak. Jesus, I got so much going on my phone right now, bro. Sorry. All right, big bounce on NQ. If we can cash this long back up, chap, we're laughing. We are laughing. No, I'm not going to stop stream, chat. It's okay. It's all good. There's nothing I can do anyways. I just got some really unfortunate news. That's all. But I appreciate you guys. I do. Truly. Gold taking out this internal low and we're seeing a reaction on it. I wouldn't be surprised, chat, if this thing goes long back to the highs. I would not participate. The thing is, and we talked about this on actually a previous stream. I think it was last week. And listen up, this is going to actually help a lot of you guys. Since we're trading above higher time frame highs, I want to be shorting. Okay? But sometimes we will get some lower time frame longs to occur, but they're not longs you really want to be involved in, right? Like there could be a buy from right here. However, I typically just allow these buys to occur and I'm still going to continue looking for those sells back down. Okay? So just because a buy happens, and this is important stuff for all of you guys here, just because a buy does occur does not mean that that's a buy we should be taking, right? You always want to position yourself to trade the most highest probable conditions. And that's something a lot of people struggle with. Just because a long occurs does not mean it's a long that you need it to be in. I understand that because we're trading above higher time frame highs, old highs. Per my system, I want to be shorting after these highs are taken. Okay, so it's fine. If the long occurs, paper trade it if you want. It's just not a trade I want to be involving myself in, again, because we're trading above these highs. All right, keep that in mind, chat. NQ, man, look at this friggin' reaction on NQ. Wow. And there's just no way of entering it, unfortunately. It's just bounce and go. Chat, 1 second. Let me just make a... yeah, I can't believe. Shit, I can't believe this has happened. I am long on GJ Marco. Please take a look. You know what? I'll give you my best advice, my brother. I think a long can occur. This is a great target. We're approaching it now. Chat, we're still waiting on NQ here. I'm not in anything. Big reaction off our area, but there's just no confirmation yet. Look at these 1 minute candles just rapidly closing up. Big wick so far. Look at this wick we're leaving already, chat. 630 tick wick. Mental. Wow, we got 450 you guys in here today. W's in the chat, man. Can you guys do me a massive favor? Big favor. And like the stream, please. Like the stream. Listen, for all 450 of you in here right now, we are going to be running giveaways in a short bit. We're just waiting to see what NQ does here. I wanted a long NQ, and it looks like it's running without us right now. So we'll look and see if we can sneak something in. I'm not just going to force an entry here, though. We got to stay patient. The usual. We'll see what happens, chat. We'll see what happens, but yeah, NQ looks like it might just hammer all these highs without us. It is what it is. But if you guys can like the stream, that'd be a massive help. Again, for everybody in here right now, we're going to be running giveaways in a short while. But I do appreciate all of you guys for hanging with me on this fine Tuesday morning. Let's go. Let's go. Are you not too distracted? Maybe a little bit, but I have commitments, and I'm going to stick to my commitments, and I'm going to deal with these. I'll make some phone calls after this. Let's head back to NQ. Look at this reaction so far, chat. What did we say? I said the further lower it goes, the nicer the long will be back up. But it's a hard one. It's a hard one to take. I guess looking back, benefit of hindsight, I could have maybe taken like a candle closure with not a lot of risk, like not normal risk, something like this. But that's the only way I could have taken this so far. That's the only way. It's just more of these are bounce. These are hard markets to catch when we're just bouncing all over. So it's all good though. Sorry, chat. 1 second here. My apologies. I'm shooting some text messages off right now. Holy shit. All right, chat, we're back. Sorry. My apologies. My apologies. Can you please make some more videos on daily bias? Yeah, you know what, I can. I'm back, chat. All right, sorry. Okay, NQ. Damn. I'm on and off my phone right now because of this news I just got. Man, sorry. $15-minute US 30. What? Let me see. Yeah, wow. Look at this price action, chat. Wow. This is some crazy stuff. Highs taken, lows taken that we talked about. So that's nice stuff there. And now we're gone long again. I do think YM though heads back to this high, chat. I do think YM heads back to that. So keep an eye. NQ having a little rejection off the highs. Okay, so we're having a little bit of a pullback right now. Let's see what this thing gives us. No, truly, chat, I do appreciate you guys. I do. Thank you, thank you. But we're all good right now. We are. I'm just apologizing because I'm just shooting text messages off. So like, I'm going dry on stream a bit here, but we're all good. We're all good. We're all good. Promise. Bro, hopefully everything's okay. Yeah, we're all good, chat. Appreciate you guys. Okay, NQ is coming back down sharply. This is some volatile markets right now, bro. For real. Damn. Yo. Ozzy takes the lows, come up, sweeps this internal. Yo. We got some volatility today. Damn. News was at 8:30 and that's it. Okay. I'm just double checking some shit right now. Okay, so 4 hour closed up. Let's keep an eye. I want to keep an eye on this, chat. 4 hour wick down here. This is my first time here. I'm subscribing and sending greetings from Poland. Much love, my brother. I hope you're enjoying your time here. We got over 450 people in the live stream today. Again, I always say this, but truly, guys, I do appreciate every single one of you for hopping in stream and hanging with me. We got some crazy markets right now, but I haven't been in anything. I'm currently flat, just waiting currently. So look at this big reaction off our area up. Now we're having a move back down. Most likely gonna stab out 4 hour wick. So, yo, this shit's crazy right now, bro. For real. You see a long at 24,665. So that's right now. Not for me. I'm gonna still wait for that confirmation. I don't know if this low holds. Okay, we printed this low before the 4 hour candle closes, and that's a red flag for me. I don't love that. So we'll continue to see what the 4 hour, what NQ does here, because we have left that 4 hour low, and that is a bit alarming. That's a bit of a red flag for me. What are markets usually like in Thanksgiving? I just take it day by day, bro. Truly. Marco, how come you don't use any order flow stuff? I haven't looked into it, bro. I think it's a very powerful tool if used correctly, but I just don't use it personally. I don't need to. Like I have an edge that works, so I don't want to touch anything right now. Did we hit a viewer record? I don't think so, chat. I don't think so, but we'll wait and see. If we continue to... I think we need like 30, 40 more viewers. So if you guys want to tell your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your dog, your cat, tell them to hop in the stream, like the stream. Yeah, we could hit a viewer record today. It's possible. It's possible, chat. It's possible. Let's price action on YM. I do want these highs, though. I think these highs need to go, chat, on YM before we see any sort of sells back down. Yeah. I think, yo, could have taken something here, man. Damn. It's all good, though. I'm not really actively looking at YM right now. I don't trade too much, to be honest with you. Very rarely. I primarily focus on NQ, to be honest. Bring the bots in? Laugh my ass off. Nah, man. It's all legit viewers in here. We don't do none of that botting shit. Come on. Gotta get my dog to watch the stream. That's it, Jan. Come on, bro. That's it, brother. All right, we're getting a little bit of reaction off the low on NQ right now. I'm still waiting for a confirmation-based entry, chat. There's nothing for me. All I see right now is literally just reaction higher, pull back lower, and now we're getting a reaction again. So if we can hold this high, if we can respect the high, pull back and give us an entry, I'll take that buy. Okay, but this is just very bouncy PA. It's not PA that favors my system. I need to see buildups. I need to see liquidity built, and there's nothing. Okay, chat, so we'll have to wait and see. Great day to blow accounts. You know what? It sucks to say this, but yeah, there's a lot of people hurting themselves right now. And there's also a lot of people trying to short this thing right now, and I'm telling you right now, there's a very, very high chance those sellers are going to get slapped up. I would stay away from shorting, personally. To each their own. I would not short this. All right, gold's going long from that area. Remember, I'm literally just tape reading this. Remember, I said this could go long, but I want to position myself to trade the most highest probable conditions. I do not want to be taking I do not want to be buying after we're trading above old highs. Okay, remember that. That's so important. Did you just say full margin short? Don't kill me, Joe. Don't kill me, my brother. Got a good TP on the first move. There you go. I pulled 360 on 2 accounts. Nice one, brother. That's good stuff. Take it and run. Take it and run. Most people can't even see profit. So if you're making profit, then you're doing something right. All right, NQ. What do we got here? What do we got here? We're still waiting, chat. We're still waiting. We need to see price. I want to see price stay below these highs, basically. I want to see that those highs stay intact. Can you explain the blue box that is near the wick? Yeah, look. This area down here. Come on, NQ. What did wifey say? Hello, hand fans. Is everything okay over there? Hi. Yes. Wifey's good, chat. Wifey's good. Don't worry. All right, we're getting this sell-off right now. I really hate that 4-hour low's intact. That makes this reversal so much low probable. If the reversal does occur, of course. Just swept some internal here. Thoughts on using your liquidity concepts with IFVG as an entry? Yeah, I think that's fine. I think that's fine. Completely fine. At the end of the day, I could literally trade my concepts, or anybody could trade my concepts, and everybody could have different ways of entering the market. To each their own, bro. Like, you just gotta test and figure out what you like, what works for you, and stick with it. Really, that's it. Will you spin the wheel, or will the wife choose? I'm spinning the wheel today, chat. I'm spinning the wheel. Sorry, babe. I'm just seeing your text now. No, I haven't heard anything else yet. I have not seen anything else yet. NQ, given that reaction right now, still waiting, chat. Damn, I really wish this 4-hour low was taken before this move was occurring. I suck at catching these moves that the 4-hour low is taken. Sorry, not taken. Especially that it was 10 minutes before the close occurred. Marco, your teaching videos are so engaging. Yo, appreciate you, Salvador. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the love. Good to know you are enjoying them. Eyeing up NQ longs. Let's see. Yeah, Joe, I'm right with you, my brother. I'm right with you, bro. Chad, if price can stab this low once more and give me a reaction out, not the cleanest bit of entries, but I'll add something. I'll add something. I do want to stay, like, I'm staying aware and I'm staying really patient right now. I'd probably say overly patient for good reason, though. For good reason. Not because of fear. It's because we have left this 4-hour low intact. And I need to stay aware of that. I need to stay aware of that. What's your long-term view on gold? I want to short this thing to friggin' hell. I want this thing to end up shorting all the way back down to sub 4,000. To sub 4,000, please and thank you. I would very much enjoy that. Chat, we're at 465 viewers. I think we're close to our record. You look sad, man. Hope everything's good. No, I'm good, chat. I'm good. Just got some really unfortunate news. And not a family member of mine, but someone we know. But it's life, man. It sucks, but it is what it is. But thank you guys for looking out. We're all good, though. Also, chat, all my socials are in the link of this stream. In the description of the stream, sorry. If you guys want to follow me there, feel free to. No pressure. It is completely up to you. What is the record? I'm not too sure what the viewer record is, to be honest with you. It would be much appreciated if you guys tossed a like on the stream, though. Still waiting on NQ currently, chat. Still waiting on NQ. Let's see what we get here. It'd be nice to smash a long. Why 4-hour candles should attack? Please need more information. That's just an added confluence of mine. I can see that the 4-hour candle just closed up. Due to my experience and back-tested data, I understand that usually a reversal will spike the low, then go. So with that understanding, I need to stay aware that this low can be ran still. Okay, this low I got marked down here. I'll mark a blue line here so it's easier. That's why I'm not like hammering entries right now. I need to stay aware of that. In order for me to take something, it just needs to be a pitch perfect confirmation entry. If I get one, awesome. If not, hey, it is what it is. Sometimes it's just not meant to be, chat. Chat, I think we're 30 viewers away from the big 500. Let's see if we can smash this NQ long with all of you guys. That would be such a W. That would be such a W. Does a low have to be a red candle? I don't know what that means. Does a low have to be a red candle? Chat, same thing. If you guys are familiar with my system now, literally for me to take an entry, I just need to see liquidity built, liquidity taken out, and then I take the entry. So right now I can see we're some way, shape, or form building liquidity right now on M1. It's just not clean yet. So that's why I don't have anything to show you guys. I'm just waiting, right? Don't worry. When something comes, for everybody asking, what are you waiting for? You'll see. I just need to see liquidity built, liquidity taken out. Check other pairs, Marco. Come on, man. I want to take an entry on NQ. If you're looking at something on your computer, and I'm not going to tell you to look at something else. Come on, man. I want to buy NQ. Why am I going to look at something else? Chat, listen, are we going to hit 500 viewers today? Are we going to hit half 1,000? Are we going to hit half 1,000 viewers and smash an NQ long? Come on, bro. A 10K day would be nice today with all of you guys. If it comes, it comes. Beautiful. Gold's going long off that low, chat. Check on gold at least. Yo, you kill me, man. You kill me, brother. I believe gold can long back up to these highs. Not longs I want to participate in. We're trading above old highs already, so I don't want to be buying this thing. It can long up there. Definitely can. Again, just not longs I would position myself to take. NQ giving a reaction right now. I feel like, yo, some of the messages we get in here, man, it's like the same thing over and over from like the same people. I wonder if they're actual bots that somehow get in here. What the hell? 487 viewers, chat. Yo, I love you guys, man. Appreciate you guys for hanging with me. I think that's a record, chat. But if we can hit, yo, we are like 10, 15 viewers away from 500. Are we hitting 500 today, chat? $498. Yo, are we hitting 500? I can't see on my end really. It like lags. I don't know. I'm like behind a bit over here, chat. Are we hitting 500 today? 500. Let's go, man. Yo. That's insane. That is insane. I appreciate you guys for hanging today. For real. We're trying to take something on NQ, but as you guys can see, we've gone full barcode right now. Full barcode. All right, so bear with me. We're gonna have to wait and see what NQ does here, but we're waiting patiently. W's, bro. Damn. That's so fire. I appreciate you guys. 500 viewers, man. That's so sick. Community is growing, bro. You should live stream every day. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see for the future, but I do love streaming with you guys, truly. Tuesdays and Thursdays are awesome. For real. I love it. I love hopping on with you guys. Provide as much value as I can. I try my best. Let's give away 100 accounts. Yo. Man, it says 500. Let me take a picture of this, chat. Let me take a picture of this so we remember this moment. First stream with 500 viewers. That is so fire. Look at that. On my end, chat. I don't know. Can you see? 500. W. Let's go, chat. Come on, man. That's awesome. That's so awesome. ChartFanatics to the moon, bro. ChartFanatics to the moon. Listen to me carefully. ChartFanatics to the moon. You're a champion. I appreciate you, bro. That's so crazy. Look, even wifey sent me a picture of her stream. And it says you got 500 of you guys watching. That is so cool, man. For real, I appreciate you guys. All right, NQ is pulling back a bit. Let's see what happens here. We got some sort of a low taken out right now. Oh, I really wish this 4-hour low was gone, bro. And I'd be so much more happy to smash some longs, but 5-minute internal lows taken here. I want this thing to the upside, chat. I really do. This delivery on my entry has been so shit, though. Good morning, Marco. What is a 6-figure liquidity? What? What does that mean, bro? Still remember, yo, Tendra, for real. I still remember the early days when we were all hyped over 100 viewers. W. So sick. 500? Yo, I gotta take a video of this. First time hitting 500 viewers on stream with chat. So sick, guys. I appreciate all of you guys, for real. That's so awesome. That is so awesome. Thank you. Joe, what do you mean, bro? Can you reword that question? 510. Yo, you guys are awesome. I can't believe this still. I really can't. I really can't believe this. NQ giving a reaction off this low right now. Chat, okay. This is what I need right now, okay? For me to buy this thing right now, okay? We've swept this low, which is good. That's good, that's good. Could come for this too, possibly, we'll have to see. But we've swept this low. If we come up, create some internal low, spike that low, this is a buy opportunity right here. Now, so the first step is done. I need to see a run on liquidity, which we have gotten. That's good. But now I need to see early buyers again. Okay, I can't just buy to buy here. It's just unfortunate. Like, this is, the direction's there, but look at the delivery of price here so far. And it sucks, but that's the nature of price sometimes. You get some shitty deliveries and it is what it is. But I do want to participate in longs. Bad. But I need to see some sort of internal liquidity point, and then we can take that buy. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see what happens here. We're eyeing it. And we're going to stay patient because I've told you guys as well, we've left that 4-hour low, and that is also red flaggy. So we have a possible couple scenarios in front of us right now. Oh, you're just messing around? No, it's all good, Joe. It's all good, bro. 509 or 500, I don't even know anymore, bro. Listen, all I have to say though is thank you all. And for everybody in here that's new, we run streams every single day on ChartFanatics, Mondays through Fridays. You got some savages on these streams. But yeah, we stream every single day, 9 a.m. We got some streams in Asia sometimes. If you guys want to stay up to date with our streams, join our Discord. Mods, slam that Discord link in chat. Join the Discord. You guys can see all the announcements for when we stream in there. We run giveaways in our Discord. We run giveaways on stream. We're always giving back to you guys as much as possible. So join the Discord. Join the streams for the giveaways. Today, I'm going to be running some giveaways. Let me get word on what giveaways we have today, chat. So give me a second here. Let me see what we got for giveaways. I'm gonna get word on that right now. So everybody in here, stay tuned. Don't miss out. I don't want you guys to leave the stream and then you miss out on the giveaway opportunity. So just wait. Smash the like button, chat. W's, bro. Appreciate you guys for real. Smash the like button if you can. It's free. Hit that thumbs up. Turn those noties on. Subscribe to the channel so you guys can stay up to date with all of our streams. Marco, do you have time when you take trades? Do you take trades after lunch if you get setups, or only follow before lunch market? What does that mean? Okay, maybe reword that question. We're going long right now off the lows, chat. We're going long right now with no entry, unfortunately. All right, I just got word on what we're giving away today. We got four different giveaways, chat. 4. Stay tuned. Oh, the directions there, chat. I just wish this delivery was a little bit cleaner. What's your outlook on AUD USD? Maybe we run hires. We've grabbed this internal. I'm not too sure though. I just like that short from the high to the lows. Now that that's done, it's finished. Highs are taken, lows are taken. But I'm not sure. NQ's going long, bro. If anybody's in this, I love that for you. Marco's not, so L, but eh. She's running too, bro. There's just no way of me entering this per my system. I needed to get that one last step, I guess you could call it. It is what it is. my buddy texted me too, and he couldn't get in the NQ trade as well. It is what it is sometimes, chat. The direction's there, but the entry doesn't come. What about Euro? I'm not sure on Euro right now. I wanted to see some sort of shorts on this thing. I don't know if it does now. It doesn't look too pretty anymore. I'm sidelined. I'm sidelined on these guys right now. Gold, is gold moving higher? Gold is moving higher right now. To these highs probably. NQ is respecting this high right here for now. Fuck, man. I wish this thing was cleaner today, bro. When will the giveaway start? Shortly. I'm just keeping an eye on NQ. I want to see if I can catch this thing before it flies without me. I don't know if we will now, unfortunately, bro. Facepalm. I didn't even miss anything, to be honest with you, chat. Like, I'd beat myself up if I did miss an entry. But I didn't miss an entry, so why am I going to beat myself up? It's just, it sucks because sometimes I wanted to smash this long with you guys, but eh. Today, I was a professional speculator. That's what I was today. We called a lot of things, but we didn't take anything. So, that's tough sometimes. You call shit, no entries, so you can't take it. It is what it is. Look at that, though. YM highs to the lows and back to the highs. That's some clean shit. NQ, not so clean. But, it is what it is. We have one last opportunity I can see that's happening right now, chat. Okay, look. Listen up. If we can get a move higher right now, we respect the highs and we stab lower, I'll buy this right here. I'll buy this right here, chat. Okay, we need that to occur. So, it's not over. What's the saying? It's not over till the fat lady sings? It's not over till the fat lady sings, chat. Lock in. Lock in. I still believe. I took the long and I smashed $500 with one contract. Thanks, Marco, for your amazing vibes and energy and ChartFanatics. You are the best channel in the world. W. 500 bucks in the bank. Let's go, bro. Marco, I have been following you for months now. Your concepts made me a profitable trader. Damn, bro. If you're starting to see results, that's a W right there. Big boy stops though? Not really. As long as we can sneak in a 1 to 2.5 ish. Ideally, I only trade 1 to 3s, but yeah, we'd have to wait for it to come a little bit deeper, like something like there. So something like this, below this blue line area, chat. We get below this blue line. What's your target? I'm just looking at previous daily high. Overall, chat, I think, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But I think we could start seeing that higher time frame move on NQ. I don't know. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. But I'll stick with it for now. I think we see these highs taken on the daily. These highs take on the daily, and then eventually, if you look on the 4 hour and even the hourly, look at the all-time highs. Look at this price action. That's liquidity to me, bro. So I think we see a higher time frame move back up on NQ. Mark my words, man. I said it first, chat. Yo, by the way, this is not an entry. I know you guys might be saying that. The key thing we just missed here, we needed to see inducing buyers, trap the buyers. So no, this is not an entry. Now this is okay. Look at this. Look, look, look. If we get a move up, a move down, that's an entry. Like that. Okay, so it's still in the cards, chat. Well, wait. It's still in the cards. Gold is just retracing. Structure has been shifted for bearish and SMT with silver at the highs. Yeah, I don't use SMT, bro, so I'm not too sure. I'm not entirely sure. I don't use SMT. I just trade the chart in front of me. I like to just keep it as simple as possible. Marco, if you take the trade from there, how does that explain your strategy? It doesn't make sense. What are you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? You guys remember that show? What show was that called? What you talking about, Willis? What was that from again, man? I'm drawing a blank right now. What you talking about, Willis? Oh, that's from the show Different Strokes with Will Smith, right? What you talking about, Willis? Okay, NQ giving that move right now. Chat, listen. We spike the high. Spike the high, spike the low, we get in. Oh no, sorry, Will Smith's not in that. What am I saying? Will Smith's from the Prince show. What? Yo, I'm stupid. I'm an idiot, chat. Damn. Not Will Smith. Yeah, I know. What you're talking about, Willis, was Gary Coleman. But I screwed that up. I thought Will Smith was also in the show, but I'm mistaking that for a different one. I actually, you know what's funny? I used to watch that show. Like there's a bunch of replays. I think it was on like Amazon Prime at one point or something. I don't remember, but The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That's it. Sorry, chat. Sometimes I draw blanks. All right, NQ, yo, cook this up for us, chat. Cook it up. We need price below this low, and we take it. This is clean now. Honestly, clean. It was ugly, and now it's clean, chat. We're back over 500 viewers. Yes, sir, we are, man. And it is a great feeling. And I'm extremely, extremely thankful for all of you guys in here. Trust me, every single one of you. None of this would be possible without you guys, for real. You guys show up, show so much love to you guys. Or sorry, to us. You show so much love to us. I can't even speak. I'm mind blown today. I'm mind blown today. Explain the gold chart. Chat, yo, I've been explaining this gold chart the whole stream. I've been explaining this gold chart the whole stream. So, we've taken out lows here. Prices come back down, sweep this internal, respected this low from the left, and we've gone long, leaving highs intact. However, okay, this is where a lot of you guys screw up, unfortunately. You'll think, oh my God, but Marco, why aren't we buying here? Why aren't we buying at this low and tucking our stops below here and riding this up? Because Jimmy, we are trading above old highs. And what happens when we trade above old highs? Longs are now extremely low probable per my system. Hey, to each their own. If you guys still want to look for buys, that's completely fine. I want to see price above these highs, and then I can look for those sells back down. Overall, I'm bearish. And now that we're trading above highs, why would I want to look for more buys, right? Think about it. And that's my explanation for gold. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you enjoyed. Explain soybean futures. I can't believe that's actually still an asset to look at. It is crazy. It is crazy. I love you, bro. My mentor. I love you too, brother. Love all you guys in here, chat. We had a chat for everybody new in here right now. We had a new viewer record today, which is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm going to cry. I'm going to tear up. I'm going for a run after this stream, and it is going to be a very enjoyable run. I'll tell you that for free. A very enjoyable run. Soybean futures, fast way to burn your account. Damn. Mark, how do I participate in giveaways? So chat, giveaways are going to be run shortly. I'll let you guys know how to enter. So don't worry. No, you're not going to miss out on the giveaways. And we have a really, really good giveaway today, to be honest. I'll let you guys know. We're doing Apex giveaways, Funded Next giveaways, TradeZella giveaways. So we got a lot of good stuff today. A lot. So don't miss out. We're going to be running it shortly. We're just keeping an eye on NQ here before we do these giveaways. I want to see if we can cash this entry. If we don't, hey, it is what it is. Marco, my English is bad, but your trading is so good. Yo, first of all, bro, Jason Bourne, that is an unreal name. One of my favorite movie series, easily. Jason Bourne, man. When I was younger, I watched that series so much. Such a great movie series. Chad, have you watched that series? Bourne? You have Bourne Identity, Supremacy. So good, man. So good. What an unreal stream today, guys. For real. Okay, Claudia, I don't know what is the spamming ever since you joined chat, man. I love the movie. It's so good. So good. Jason Bourne, savage character, unreal series. I love it. I hope one day I can trade as skillfully as you do, Marco. Guys, you have to understand that I get a lot of questions about like, oh, how do you see this like that? How do you do this? Or how do you view liquidity like this? Guys, the way I view the charts, this didn't come overnight. This is an absurd amount of hours and hard work. Okay, this didn't just come like this. Okay, years, thousands of hours of me looking at these charts, building experience, getting those reps in. This did not come overnight. Okay, the people are like, oh, I've been learning your system for 2 weeks, but like I'm still making mistakes. I'm still taking losses. I don't see results. 2 weeks? 2 weeks? What is 2 weeks? You think you're gonna find results with any sort of system in 2 weeks? Lock in, chat. Come on, man. This shit takes hard work. Trading, like, it doesn't matter what strategy you're trading. This shit is hard. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes failure. A lot of failure. All right, highs are taken, chat. We need to get a run below this low. Buys will be taken below this low. That's the last step. And don't worry, I have not missed an entry per my system. I have not missed an entry. If we get a stop below here, I'm taking along. I'm taking along, and I'm more than happy taking it. Better to start funded or live account? In my opinion, chat. Okay, listen up. Listen up. All right. The inexperienced traders are very prone to making mistakes. Okay. You guys lack experience on the charts. So therefore, you're going to be making more mistakes than the experienced trader. So therefore, mitigate your risk. What do I mean by that? Get yourself challenge accounts. Okay, build consistency and repetition on challenge accounts, achieve funded accounts in this. Yes, eventually payouts. But you don't want to be trading live accounts or personal accounts right away, because if you make a mistake, if you go on tilt, if you break your rules, then you can lose a lot of money, right? However, if you're trading a challenge account, you'll just lose whatever it costed you on that challenge account. For example, if you spent $100 and you blow the challenge account, unfortunately, you lost $100. Not the end of the world, right? However, if you're trading a $1,000 personal account or $5,000 personal account, you go on tilt, you break your rules, you just lost $1,000 or $5,000. Okay? My best advice to you guys. An NQ might be gone, unfortunately, chat. And it is what it is, man. Sometimes the direction's there and the entry isn't. If we run these highs, it's invalid for me now. If we run these highs, it's invalid for me. It's not like the direction wise, but entry wise, it's invalid for me. Don't worry, chat. We're gonna run this giveaway shortly. 1 second. I'm gonna get it ready on my end as well, because we are approaching the end of the stream. But for all 500 of you in here, I expect to see 500 entries on these giveaways. Okay, there's no reason why you guys should not be in it. I don't get why do people spam, bro? I just don't understand. What is the point of it, chat? Someone let me know. Why is it invalid? It's just per my system. I understand that this is a form of liquidity. We're inducing sellers at the highs here. So I want to see sellers push price down. I buy here. I buy into their liquidity. Okay, if the highs get taken, I understand now sellers are trapped. So I just don't want to be, I wouldn't want to participate in that anymore. Right, so if the price somehow manages to come back down here, we get a buy. This is a place to manage your trade. Whether you break even it, roll your stop, take a partial, whatever it is. But we are approaching 1050, chat. Okay, listen. For the giveaway today. We are going to type in entry. Okay, you have to type this specific word in, okay? I'm going to write it on my screen here. Okay? The word to type in to enter for the giveaway is going to be, I'm just waiting for confirmation. Exclamation mark trading. I can't type. Exclamation mark trading. This is the word to enter our giveaway. Exclamation mark trading in the chat and you will be entered into today's giveaway. Lock in, chat. It's on you now. It's on you. Oh, I gotta lock in. I have to go for a run after this, man. I feel tired. Giveaways are live. Listen up, chat. The way to enter, type this on stream. Exclamation mark trading. All right, exclamation mark trading in chat, and you will be entered into today's giveaway. And then Mr. Anth will supply us all the names that enter into the giveaway. Awesome. Oh shit, yo, NQ's coming down, chat. What's our R on this? Stop below. Target the highs. Okay, we got a 1 to 3.7 available for us. How many ticks is this? Okay, we're gonna close off the giveaways. Close off the giveaway here. Yo, we have a lot of entries today, chat. W. Let me get ready everything on my end, chat. 1 second here. Okay, let's we're gonna shut the We're gonna shut the giveaway entries off. No more exclamation mark trading in the chat. All entries are closed, my family. All entries are closed. All entries are closed. NQ's coming down, so we're gonna pause the giveaway for a second here, chat. I don't even care if this thing loses anymore. What an unreal stream we've had today, chat. For real. We had a viewer record. You guys just vibed with me all day today. Honestly, so fun. I really much enjoyed that. Holy shit, we have a lot of names. 1 second, chat. NQ's coming down to entry. We got to be ready here. I'm going to slap a buy on this thing. Not in yet, chat. I'll let you guys know. I am already out of NQ. Wait a second. You're out? All right, chat. I'm in. I am in. Yeah, I'm in buys now. But what we can also do is we'll keep an eye on this, but we're also going to run this giveaway. All right. So I just got sent over the names. We have, oh my God, how do I have to download the message? What do I gotta do here? Oh my God, there's a whole list we got here, chat. Copy. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay, chat. Yo. We have, oh no, I just realized something, Anth. I might have screwed this up. Oh. Let me see if I can do this. Shit. Because I'm streaming my TradingView app. I'm not sure doing the screen. Yo, chat. I'm gonna need to do one thing quick. 1 second. We're in an NQ trade too. Jeez, there's a lot going on right now. 1 second, chat. I gotta figure out on my end what's going on here. How I can... Shit. Shit. Yo. Okay, wait, I'm getting word on how to do this. 1 second, chat. Duplicate the source using for TradingView and change that window to your Chrome. Okay, wait. Chat, sorry guys, 1 sec. We're gonna have to pause this giveaway for a moment here. I gotta figure out how to do this. Duplicate the source you're using for TradingView. Okay, I think I know what to do. Okay, I need to do... I think it's gonna be this one. Yeah, this might look a little bit sketchy today, chat. Bear with me here. Yo. Wait, let me see if I can fix this for you guys. 1 second here. This is the best we're gonna get it. This is the best we're gonna get it, unfortunately, chat. How does it look on your end? Does it just look awful? It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, listen up, chat. We got a big giveaway today. What do we got first? 1 second. Chat, we got an Apex giveaway first. This is gonna be for a free. Where's my screen? Oh my god. Wait, I just had the chat open. There we go. There's so much going on right now, guys. I'm screwing this up. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. I don't know if I just did something bad there, Anth. Hopefully I didn't. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, guys, we're gonna run this giveaway. First one is going to be, and I can't even see. I have to get this open on my phone. I gotta fix this for the future. My bad, guys. First one is gonna be World Info. Congratulations on your free Apex account. World Info, congratulations on your free Apex account W's, bro. Let me know you're in chat. This is for a free Apex account, so congratulations. There we go, W. Next account is going to be for... This is going to be for a free funded next challenge account. Lock in, chat. Free funded next challenge account is going to... Angshur Pa 8514. You have won yourself a free funded next challenge account. Congratulations. W giveaway, bro. W. I just need to see a sign of life in chat. Let me know you're here. Let me know you're here. Are they in here? I haven't seen type in chat yet. Where you at? Angersha. Angshur. I am here. W. Let's go. W. Let's go. Congratulations. Perfect. Okay, next one. Let's go. This is going to be for a 3-month TradeZella subscription. A free 3-month TradeZella subscription. Here we go. Winner is going to be Edge Engine. W. Edge Engine, you have won yourself a free 3-month TradeZella subscription. Give me a sign of life in chat. Let me know you're alive. Let me know you're well. Where you at? Edge Engine, where you at, bro? Talk to me. Talk to me nicely. Talk to me nicely, chat. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Edge Engine, show me a sign of life. W's. I like how we're all supporting each other in here, chat. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. All you guys are showing love in chat. W's. We need to see Edge Engine showing life. Where you at? Bro is switching accounts quickly. We might have to rerun that. Are we gonna rerun that? I'll give him another 10 seconds here. I'll give you another 10 seconds here, Edge Engine. Where you at? Oh, he's here. He's here. He is here. Edge Engine. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a free 3-month TradeZella subscription. Now, this is a big boy giveaway. Lock in, chat. Ready? Lock in. We are giving away a free 12-month TradeZella subscription for hitting the new viewer record today. We peaked out at like 510 viewers, I believe. Over 500 viewers today. We are definitely going to have to give you guys a solid giveaway for that. So again, I just want to take this moment to say thank you all. I appreciate every single one of you. Love you guys for real. Today was an unreal stream. Unbelievable stream. We've hit 1,000 first. Another milestone checked off for real. But this is going to be for a free 12-month subscription to TradeZella, chat. Here we go. Lock in. Here we go. The winner of a free 12-month subscription to TradeZella goes to Time Isn't Real. Interesting name, bro. Interesting name. I like it. Show me a sign of life in chat. Time isn't real. Show me you're alive. Show me you're well. Claim this giveaway for yourself. This is a massive giveaway. You have 12 months free to TradeZella. Are you in here? Show me a sign of life, bro. There you go. You're in here. W's. That's awesome. Damn, what a stream today, chat. What a stream. What a stream. For real. That was awesome. That is it giveaways wise. But wow, yeah, that was awesome. We have NQ longs are running. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna BE this and go for my run because streaming is done and I just want to go get my run out of the way, and I don't want to have this position running while I'm running. So we'll BE this. Let me show you guys my chart. Here we go. You guys can see my chart, I think. Yeah, you do. Nice. This is what we're looking at right now on NQ. But listen, I just want to say to you guys, from the bottom of my heart, for real, what a stream today. Over 500 viewers at one point. 500 of you guys. Insane. Truly insane. We just ran a massive giveaway for you guys. But yeah, man, wow. What a day it's been. I safe to say I didn't expect that today. But still, honestly, love all you guys. Appreciate you guys for hanging in. Again, what a stream we had today. W's for all of you guys. You guys have been putting W's for me. Nah, W's for you guys. For real. Thank you guys so much for hanging. Thank you guys so much for hanging today. Love every single one of you. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm going to go get on a run now. All right, I'm going to go get a 10K run in the legs. Enjoy the rest of my day. And then I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to get some work in. Do my thing. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day wherever you guys are at around the world. I will see you guys next Tuesday because there's a bank holiday on Thursday. All right. So next Tuesday, I'll see you guys. Love all of you guys. Trade safe. Be safe. Take care, guys. All the best.